Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I fold my activewear, which I know doesn't sound very exciting, but I like to keep everything together so that when I roll out of bed in the morning, 5 minutes before I have to leave for class, I can still get there. Or if I'm exercising after I've had a long day, it's one decision, it's super easy. It makes a big difference in making it easier for me to get to exercise. Because before I started doing this, some bras don't work with some tops don't work with some pants, and you use up your best whatever first, and then all of a sudden you're left with the stuff that just doesn't go right together, and it's frustrating, and it's just so much easier. I just go in, grab one of my little rolls, and I'm good to go. I hope I've inspired you to think of something in your life you might be able to simplify to help you achieve whatever it is you want to do. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe below. See you tomorrow!